everything we put for my daughter body. They go your papa house.
Come on down.
We shall see.
No problem.
Jesus Christ, I'm feeling.
What is this?
Baba, I don't collect my 30%.
Now my daughter be this.
Now like this, I meet her. Now my money change.
Now why you come out the future? Leave us with rubber.
Baba, listen to me, oh. Best way they take advice from 2 seconds man no go last. I rest my case on God.
What's up, my people? It's your boy again, OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So I'm just gonna keep saying thank you guys for always sticking with my videos. You understand? Always watching to the very end, always subscribing, always dropping nice comments, and always sharing my videos. And that's because I know I do something nice. I give you guys the best. Trust me, this one is not going to be different. You understand? So just stick to the very end. You will really love it. So don't play. Let's go have some fun. What's going on, Ndubaby?
Nah. This one you are looking up and down. You thief?
Baba, listen to me. Person crocodile don't bite before. They see lizard as threat. I know if you just did they back the street, I guess they active.
Okay. Our people thought say a toad no they run for daytime for nothing. My name Namaziabu is Mpompa. This is my beautiful wife and my beautiful daughter, Nkiru. We want to know you and know the reason why you are here. Over to you.
Baba, listen to me. My name is Ndubaby. I'm the son of a praying mother. Not be my face God they look. Now my mama pray God they answer. You the feel baby. But as a man within the street to make mama proud, the gas born on time. You get now make her say my old day with your daughter. So as they grind for night, she get a job for morning.
As you react.
Calm it down for me, okay?
You don't see my daughter now, seem fine. We have put a lot inside her. Give me that list.
Ozrezi.
Oh yeah. Achomi boy. Jide. Yagaje.
Let's have it.
On a money. Okay, what?
10 million? For this kind girl?
Yeah, Oga. Which kind talk be that? So you mean to talk say my daughter wey I suffer train for university no worth 10 million naira? You okay?
Madam, listen, oh. Not only your money they have body, oh. Ask him on a study at the wire house. Ask him.
Which one be debit yourself creditor? You follow me train my picking? You know how much you put inside her body? From the time they born up till now, you know how much you put? Patrana Gebao. Who know whether he borrow money before you come here?
Baba, listen to me. That's why Brodda I know the all hotspot. And if you borrow money, man take come marry wife. Now me walk a mat.
See, if you know what's good for you now, give me that list. Come on, everything we put for my daughter body. They go your papa house.
Come on down.
You're gonna look at your video. You're gonna look at your girl.
Jesus Christ, I'm feeling.
What is this?
Baba, I don't collect my 30%.
Now my daughter be this.
Now like this, I meet her. Now my money change. Now
why you come out the future? Leave us with rubber.
Baba, listen to me, oh. Best way they take advice from 2 seconds man no go last. I rest my case on God.
I only look very fine. Are you
Ndubaby, the man, no worry.
Well done, madam. Have I the sell provision?
My television are the sell for here.
Give me 3 eggs and one dog with us.
You know they.
Why you can't open shop? Hello. Brother Shaggy.
Yes?
How are you doing today? I'm fine, sir. How are you? Very well. Wait, who be this? Respect on the line. You should have known. You didn't save my number. I'm sorry, sir. I just saved my phone. iPhone 17 at the East. Can you swim, Brother Shaggy? That's fair. Why are you talk like this? Now you should be like, I mean, inside. Not anybody, sir. My mama is a mommy water. Hey! We're talking about professional swimming here, Brother Shaggy. We're not talking about river. Okay, sorry. Very good. I shared her number. I shared the number to her, so she should be calling you very soon. Okay.
The next day.
Oga, where you there now?
Auntie, don't worry, I did very close.
You don't go see time. It's getting dark.
Settle.
He shot you.
Jesus.
Sorry, auntie.
Where's the pool?
Which pool?
The pool you want to teach me in now.
Liver. Me, I don't need this. a physical swimming pool. No, I have to teach you from the mind because what? The mind is the one that have the backstroke of the future.
Mental swimming.
Thank you. Mental swimming.
Small now.
Auntie, there's no time for all this one. I can't explain this to you outside that what we are doing here is not the normal swimming that everybody know. This is what we call mental swimming. What did I say?
Mental swimming.
Now fucking go down. Go down. Let's go. Now I want you to do your hand like a leg, like you're swimming in the ocean. That's it. Very good. Now, paddle it. Your boat gently on the sea. Merrily, life is but a day. Now let's go. I want you now to go faster as if a whale or a shark is pursuing you inside the water. Faster, that's it. Go.
See, okay, I feel silly doing this.
Yes, because you are silly.
Huh?
Yes, Auntie. Now listen to me. Listen to me and listen to me very carefully. But I think I know your problem. It's because you are visualizing water in your head.
Exactly.
Okay. I will flow with you. Now this is water. Now swim.
Are you crazy? Is it because I'm here playing with you, sis?
Hey, hello.
You know what? I'm done.
Go away. Say you know say never pay me my money.
What money? For this rubbish. Don't collect them.
Say!
Hello. I'm gonna show you where you're mad. Now be black belt on and go change up for you, they crazy. You want whine me? You want swim. Let me swim now. Orojo. Oh shit. Get out, come on for my place.
Okay, it is
Go
not
swim, God punish you.
It is not
Then Tiagasa.
That's where you carry go swimming pool. I go shit now. It's the worry.
No.
Bobby, have fun, man.
Yeah! Bobby!
What happened now? Bobby, you do alright?
Hey,
what did happen? Which kind of mess follow you come?
Every night in my dreams, I see you.
Who are you? Who are me, Asasa? I'm your mess now. So why do you follow me? What do you follow you? Out of you I came and you I shall follow.
Why my church idiot like you could mess for outside? Guy, if you mess, also you mess, you put off my head, you can't not say this. Now your papa mess. Yeah, your mama mess.
No matter where you go, make you not forget area, Na Naija, ti o de batile.
Bongo la, bongo cha cha cha.
Madam, bring my number.
Why is your face like this?
Bro, my ticket's cold.
Add extra promo. No hard fish.
Oh man, you're the red, you're the free weed.
The mess to follow and come.
Wherever you are, I believe.
As I get money for my pocket, balance it. I go just send it to the place, balance it. As I get money for my pocket, balance it. I go just call all my guys, balance it.
I'm at war!
Oh, man. Shut it from the nasty dog. Hey!
I'm at fight!
Other mess don't come out.
I'm in Gaboski!
Mahosa!
Powers!
You mess will pass your own mess.
The work is done.
The work is done.
I won. I'm gonna
You
enjoy
don't see
it.
mess will pass your own.
Let this boy suffer for 600 years in your life.
Oga, this one is for you.
There's no meat now.
You meat no dey now.
I know say sometimes I dey come here and no other meat. Today I want meat.
What I can do is the one that first you come now and I give him meat.
Now the last meat where you can't give this small pikin. But I dare here.
He's the one that come first. I give him meat. There's no meat.
Nonsense. What do you mean the first meat come? Are we doing in transport here? Yellow house and blue house. You check who first come. Are you not supposed to look through it? You carry meat to give this guy small pikin. You don't give me meat.
Say that because of beef, they beef. Beef. No more. Say inside you there.
You know no sense. I speak Yoruba. All the blue kuni boy. What it will make? They give you meat. You cannot say elder. Take meat. I know you very well now. You are a very small pikin. What if that's your name country? I know your mommy. If I don't see your mother, at least I take 20 years to know.
You carry them back. Go fed down for. Just your.
You want to hit me? Oh, you want to hit me?
Hard work pays for minimum wage. You have to set your mind to work. That is the mindset.
Very well,
Hey, Sule, good afternoon this afternoon.
Mr.
Looking gorgeous.
How are you?
Come,
Yeah,
let me see what happen here. I'm coming all the way from Ogombo. You know that place. Now, come here. Make I come eat.
Why should not do your
This woman, what's in they call her? Suli, I mean a saloon. Excuse me, let me finish. I mean the report to you.
Listen to me, young man. Any business that don't yield interest, I'm not interested.
No, we want to
Hello, little boy. Don't jubilate, it's not your mate. You see, your inability to listen to instruction will lead to your destruction. Yeah. Hello, sir. In this new age, your old age without money is a disadvantage. Do you know that I have the information that can cause your transformation?
Okay.
Have you heard about Luli before, you miscreants?
Which one be Luli?
You see, rather than watch you argue, I'd rather watch Luli where I'll be watching ads and be getting paid real money.
They watch Luli too.
Even this your business, you can put it on Luli and be making patronage. Just pay people to be watching your ads.
Now me they tell me why don't they Luli since years.
Can you imagine? Even Suli no Luli.
I don't Luli now. They not.
You're Luli?
Or they not stressed.
Wow. You don't look like him.
What did they worry you? Or go kill. Tell me why they Luli tribe. When we say I be the header for our community, I dey connect with people where they like me. They say I don't look like it. No problem, no be your fault. She will for me. So I will say I need someone who can tell your mama make it another for a Google Play. You could not use iPhone, I be the use. Say no, talk about what come follow.
Yeah, all you need to do is download Luli, register on it, and start watching ads and getting paid real money.
Come, let me tell you. Me and you know the group. We'll not be P square. Do your own, make I do my own.
Alright, silly, yeah. Give me rice and add a piece of meat. Make a meat up, yeah?
Meeting will let meet up. You don't pay for the one where you stop like.
Hello. Luli at the top.
Luli.
You see, like, person when they talk about Luli, you don't wear nonsense.
Leave my shoe, that's not the issue. Sir, Ojo Timberland, Mara Timberland.
Land Rover, no.
Why took me shit by today? My account balance should not be the reason I have a balanced diet.
No, coming down and not concern me to carry.
Just serve the food. My logo advert you're doing. So once I make my advert money, I'll pay you.
Go outside, go and watch advert. I'll come back and pay my money. I will serve you food. See you.
Sully, you're misbehaving, you know? When I watch my advert, I'll come back and buy the store. Why misbehaving? You know what? You know what? Concerning about my transport, can sorry lockdown.
Shank go with.
Wow.
Crazy people.
I just want things to get better. Good
afternoon.
Well done, sir.
I don't know you.
Ada, you said you want to see me. What is it?
Daddy, I want you to meet Agkaay, my boyfriend.
God, I swear to God.
Nice to meet you, sir. Your boyfriend?
Yes.
Mr. Agkaay, what do you do for a living? Who is your father? Who is your mother?
Daddy, please now. Can you just stop? Okay. Do you really have to do it all the time? That's what you do. You ask them questions and you end up chasing them out. I don't like it though. Daddy, me, I don't care if you don't like this one. This is the man I want. And if you have a problem with that, me, I'll leave your house. So.
You leave my house?
I'll leave.
Don't leave, stay. I like this one,
Babe, let me get my bag. Daddy, we're going out.
Take your time. That's a pretty downstairs. Well done, sir. Sir, you did bone.
Relax.
Now you go cry.
Hey!
Hello. Jesus.
Babu.
What happened?
Is your dad a cabman?
No.
I think I just saw him just now.
My dad is at home.
That is fooling us.
Just hold on, let me call him.
Call him.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello, Ada.
Where are you?
I'm at home now.
You're home?
Yes, now. I'm even picking beans.
Hey!
Okay, I'll call you back.
Yeah.
Hello. There's a lot of people wearing your dad's clothes.
Hey!
Who give a
Babe, what happened?
Babe, I don't understand. I want to be your daddy now.
My dad, where?
Check now. You don't follow us. What is up?
Babe, nobody's here now. You are scaring me and I don't like it. Look, I'm not in the mood again. Let's just go.
I know now. Babe, I beg now. No.
Let's go home.
Okay, just small. This is not what you don't go leave her. No, they go out. For your paguasi until they kill me.
Very wicked man. I see black.
I'm your big fan. I swear to Almighty God, I'm your fan. Oh yeah, wait. Listen. On a normal day, them no fit touch your energy. Go on there, no. About. Have you heard?
Sweet man, daddy, hello. I know people forget you.
You want set Chinedu and Boy up. You want set them up. Don't worry.
Maybe fast.
Kids, they catch all of us for village. You get mind the one generator. Oh, well, now. I go cook una today. All your generator will blow. Me just the bond.
Can you imagine?
Jesus, you love me too much. Oh.
God, you don't collect everything belongs to Caesar. Leave this boy for me now. Let me feed it too, don't worry.
Hey, what?
Jesus!
Uncle. That's how you do it.
Baby, come over. Hey.
Idiot. You get money, buy motor. After telling me you no buy motor. Tell me for village, who get motor? Eh? Buy walking stick, trek like me.
People wicked though. People really wicked.
Jesus.
Calm down, no run. A business I carry come.
But don't understand all these things.
Why they run?
Your father.
You know the active? I will make you unlock this phone.
Which person phone you steal again?
Calm down. A big man get this phone. I will make you unlock and make you transfer all the whole money. You go even bill in contacts. Oh yeah. Person the problem.
Oh, you finally pick, Akuya?
Jesus.
You're owing me money. In this Lagos, I'm walking around freely. I will track you down, I will catch you, and I will deal with you mercilessly. Yeah, you don't know who you are playing with.
Calm down, no fear. Unlock him. Wait, another person the come.
So, Oga invite you come office, you no hungry come back. We go track you, especially me. I go track you, and I go catch you. Down blue back a shake. Now let me get this country, they carry people problem for my head.
Wait, if like saying doctor they go.
Continue.
The man they sick oh.
Oga, did you do what you do remain 2 days, may you expire? Jesus. If they call you know, you want to kill you. If they call you know, I come with 5 goats. Or you do me 2.5, you go choose one.
No, be the person when get the phone they talk. The person know that around.
What did they do with person phone now? Who you be?
Why you go away phone? Why you go away the person phone?
I'm thought they fire already. Okay. Maybe to use this guy.
Forbid.
Take your phone.
I dash you now.
Take your phone.
I dash you now.
Now your phone be this.
I dash you.
Your phone white. Take your phone.
Hey! Where's my SIM card?
Everything there complete.
Oh Jesus.
Oh, the struggle. The suffer is real.
Curious girl needed.
Who please?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, afternoon. How are you?
Okay, I see this your notice where you put say they find POS there. I can't apply.
Okay, they find POS work.
Yes, sir.
You sure say if you do the work?
Yeah, I go fit do the work, sir.
Yeah, no wahala. I never see person stay.
Okay.
The pay is impressive. I go to pay you 200,000 naira every month.
200,000 naira?
Exactly.
Che, okay, help my life. I go fit do this work. I don't want before they.
I go pay you the money, nothing.
Tell me.
Yeah, calm down. No be that one. And that thing be say you go sabi how to cook.
Eh?
Are you playing?
You must be a good cook. And 2, you must be good in bed.
I know you now.
Okay, how the kid the last 2 P? Chirikwaki said, are you okay? Eh? I tell you, sir, they come find POS work. They tell me, say, if I'm good in bed. Eh? Can you imagine? If the married wife, they're hungry, you know, go village, go find wife.
I go pay you 200,000 naira every month for POS. Your man not telling a wife at the fine.
Twizzy!
Oga, check the paper very well. Everything is correct. Give me my paper, I'm they go. Everything is correct. Let me leave here.
Bad guy. Legend. You just stand here. This young man just they tell you your own work. Saying paper complete. Now what for you? Young guy. Where they drive this kind of car. You where you dey, you were on your level, you don't get this car. They know they take for police work. You go run, enter them, collect what you feel collect. You go run, that make they say Nigerian police force. You go they use force. You do this thing like we no go training. All these boys now, you gotta show them who you be. Forget, no they look like say na human being like you, treat and wear. No, you know you get where you dey. Your uniform makes you a Superman. Now him be human. Oh, you get the way you go run through this guy. He go drop. How many years you get for police? You go pack the money once.
See advice.
Which one be? Now violence that they take, they get 20 person need. It ain't Bible now. Jeremiah 142:9.
Violence to get it by force.
If you go run and you run out, no the reason now.
Young man, where the pass?
Police is your friend, and bail is free. For more bad advice, follow me.
Yes, I'm tired. I'm equally tired. Make sure that you remove everything. I don't want to even see even your handkerchief. I am not staying. No, never. The suffer is too much. Never give me. What happened?
What's going on here?
I'm tired. How can you be tired of your marriage? That's so many years. Yes, that's even 30 years. I'm tired. Please, I'm pleading on his behalf. Whatever happens, even if Engie life make it calm down, beg me. If you, I will not agree. It's okay. No problem.
Women.
Are you leaving her to go? Yes, let her go. You just want to end your marriage like that. I have ended it. Don't come back home. This marriage don't end it like this. Marriage of 30-something years. Yes. Mamuka, how are you? Hello. Welcome. So about what happened in the afternoon? Okay. I am here to tell you, make you know two reasons. Once you get to physical like that, you end it. It's not a do or die affair. In fact, you are right. As you nullify him, it's okay. God will give you another wife. Thank you very much. I think my wife needs to hear
Women.
This. Honey? Honey? Let me see.
This is love.
So you were saying? Yes, I know now waste my emotion and feelings again. No end marriage, you say you don't enter. Who does that?
So you're asking me to live your life? Okay. I see you don't know my words. You will not know what you have until it's gone. You will regret it.
That's why I want you gone, so that I will know what I have. Because I will not know what I have until it's gone. Go, let me know your words. Yeah? Let me know your what. Last I pick to check up. Your what? Banga. Come on, leave there. You are blocking light. Agent of darkness.
Anambra Queen. Anambra Queen. If I try now, so you don't do anything where you do. They say what a man can do, a woman can do better. Why you going to tell her water? If I pull her now, as you pull it, oh. Crazy guys. Anyways guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I really appreciate, you understand. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And you can as well check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. Check them out. You're gonna love them. And in case you're coming across my channel for the very first time, or you've been watching and you're here to subscribe, I don't know what you're waiting for. I really don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe, man. It's just a click. Pew. And maybe turn on the bell notification as well so that you get notified anytime I drop this amazing videos. You understand? So see you in my next one, my people. See you. Peace and love.